Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject Our Wondrous World, Unit 1, Chapter 3, Celebrating Festivals. Festival of Flowers. My name is Rishi. I am from Jammu. I am traveling to the Himalayas with my parents. We are going to visit my mama, mother's brother, mami, mama's wife, and my cousins, Chia and Nonika. They live in a small village near the mountains. We are traveling by bus. I'm enjoying the bus ride and the view outside the window is beautiful. The roads have hairpin turns and the hills are covered with colorful flowers. Far off, I can also see a variety of tall trees. After some time, we reached the bus stop near my mama and mami's village. We got down. Mamaji was there to receive us. We started on a broad concrete road which later led to a narrow mud road closer to their house. As we entered the main gate, I could see a row of colorful flowers in their garden. I could recognize and name a few of them like rose, marigold and hibiscus. However, I was amazed by the beauty of the flowers which was unlike anything I had seen before. Please can you tell me the names of these flowers? I asked Nonika. Pointing to a flower, Nonika said, "This flower is a tulip." Mommy then called the children in for lunch. All of them had a Kashmiri dish hak, a kind of leafy vegetable with hot rice. It was really tasty. Do you know we have a Kashmir tulip festival at this time of the year? Said Nonika over lunch. We too have lovely red flowers that bloom in spring at our place. They are called buranj, rhododendron, I said. I told Chia and Nonika about the spring festival that we celebrate at our place. I shared with them how we place mustard and buranj flowers at the doorstep of each home in our neighborhood. The elders bless us and also give us toffees and sweets. Chia said excitedly, "My friend Unni from Kerala celebrates a festival called Vishu at this time. They use a lot of yellow amalthas flowers, fruits and vegetables to make Vishu Kani." Mami joined in and said, "Spring is a celebration of nature." After the harsh winters, the sun shines brightly and we see flowers blooming around us, the grass growing and the new leaves in the trees. I shared with Mami, Chia and Nonika how happy I feel when I see the beautiful and colorful flowers around me. We returned home after a few days. It was a wonderful vacation and visit with family. Thanks for watching.